Welcome to DIY with Yolanda. I'm excited today because I'm over at a girlfriend's house and I'm going to help her get her cabinets painted white, as well as add some board and batten boards to the bottom cabinets. So here we go. Okay, so here I am taping off the area, getting it prepped for paint. After that was wiping down all cabinets with TSP cleaner. And then I moved on to sanding. I have to tell you, after all that sanding, my fingers were hurting in the end of this. Prep time for everything took about 3 hours, and then finally was on to spraying primer on the doors, and then of course painting primer on the inside as well, which you will see here soon. Now on to the fun part, taking off the trim that was on the bottom cabinets here to get ready to measure and put the boards on. So here I am using the multi-tool to get rid of the baseboard down there so that the board would sit flush to the wall. So I'm cutting 1x4s that were pre-primed to size to do the board and batten look on the bottom cabinets. I use liquid nail to adhere the boards to the cabinets, as well as 1 1/4 inch nails in my nail gun to attach the 1x4s. So we took the total measurement of the back side and divided by 3 to get where we wanted to put the other 1x4s to create the box look. Here I am drilling the new holes for the hardware that she chose for the drawers. I'm now filling all the nail holes with wood filler. It's white wood filler. And then I move on to caulking where the 1x4s meet the cabinet to create a seamless look with all these boards. Day. So you've seen the process up until this point. So this is day 1. Day 1 started about 7:30 and right now it's about 6:30, and then we'll have definitely one more day hopefully just to complete this project. So before starting to paint here, all of the wood fill that was put in was sanded down and then painting began. So I'm back at my friend's house now to finish up painting these cabinet doors. So everything on the inside got about 3 to 4 coats of paint, and now we've painted the back of the cabinet doors. We flipped them over, and now I am going to spray paint the fronts and give them about probably 2, maybe 3 coats of paint, and then that has to dry. Hardware will be added, and then I'll have the final product here soon.